Oh, okay. Hi.
You going to bed, baby? Okay. Like your crib? No.
Yes?
No.
Yeah.
It's about Luciano. It's not about me. Hey.
Oops.
You doing that? Can't be able to grab it. Suffocate. No suffocating allowed.
The dog is sniffing my toes. Oh,
Hi.
it was.
Hi. Hey, Molly Moo. And Penny's right there.
And then he's by my other foot.
Hey, you. Oh, sleepy boy. Sleepy boy.
Hi.
Oh, you know what? You're filming it the wrong way.
Why? Am I filming it the wrong way?
Because it's supposed to be like that.
Oh. This works too. I got him like halfway there.
Here, just do a quick film like this. I can cut that all out and just film him like that for whatever is expected.
What was wrong with the way I was filming him?
You can't see it the other way. It's upside down.
It's not upside down.
It's sideways. It just doesn't look right. I know this because you've done it before and it doesn't look right.
No.
I already told you that before.
It's not like I'm filming it like this.
It's the same thing. It's sideways.
Okay. Action.
Luciano. Hi, Luciano.
Hi.
He's so silly. Calf. Oh.
Look.
Clear it all up.
He's like, what are you doing? I wasn't even joking.
Luciano. You go to bed, baby. You go to bed. As soon as you walk away, I'll stop crying. It's storm.
You see you. I see you.
So intense. Look at that intense face you're making. Hi. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Silly. You're silly, baby. Luciano. Listen.
Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. Your love be with me through the night, and wake me with the morning light. Amen.
Luciano, see, you gotta go to bed now. Bedtime.
A little Asian looking baby. Hi.
He's just staring intensely. It's so funny. Look at that funny faces you're making. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Tigga, tigga, tigga. Tigga, tigga, tigga. Right, get the crib. Cute crib.
With all my blankets on it.
Nuh-uh.
All my old blankets.
No, 2 old blankets. The rest are his.
That.
No.
That?
No.
That one?
That one, yes. That one, no. That one, yes. These ones... these ones were made for him. By his Bisnoni. Stop it. Get him. Too close.
I'm not.
No, on me. It's weird. He's just so intense right now. It's hilarious. Luciano, bedtime. Let's walk away, see what happens.
Okay.